Hello and welcome to the Vic's Punjabi Tutorials tutorial for Maatraavaan or vowel sounds. Okay, so our first matra or vowel sound is kanna. With kanna, you just make a vertical line about half the size of a Punjabi letter. Now, kanna in Punjabi is spelled like this. Kanna. And two words could be maa for Punjabi. Maa means mother in Punjabi, and in English, naan, because it's commonly used in both English and Punjabi. And it is a long A. And phonetically, you would write it as A. So yeah. 3. Okay. So our next matra is syari. With syari, you just make a line straight up like this, and then you close it like this. So the thing about syari is, if you wanted to write, I don't know, let's say, si, you would make the syari to the left, not to the right. Now, syari in Punjabi is spelled like this. Yeah, and two words, one in English and one in Punjabi, would be der and play. Syari is a short I. It makes kind of a phonetic I-H sound. Eh. So yeah. So our next matra is byari. Byari is in a short long pair with syari. So it's kind of the opposite of syari. So you make a line up like this. And then if I wanted to spell it in Punjabi, it'd be like this. Byari. And a word could be, for byari, cheese. Cheese and cheese. Cheese in Punjabi means thing, and you probably know what it means in English. And its sound is long I. So it's phonetically written as E. So yeah. Okay. So our next matra is la. With la, like always, you make this line. La, you just kind of make a line up here, and it has to be attached to the thing. And you can kind of add a little nub at the end. And then la is in Punjabi, it's spelled lala, kanna, and bindi. That's la. And a word for long could be in Punjabi der. Der. And like I said, this little nub thing isn't necessary. I didn't make it here. Der, and in English it could be play. And it makes an A-Y sound. A. Hey. So yeah. Our next letter is in a pair with la. It's called Dulawan. It's pretty much just two la. And I forgot to attach this. You attach it there, and then you spell it in Punjabi like this. Dulawa. It's called Dulawa. And Dulawa it makes an AI sound, so a word could be me or me. Me or tan. And it's an AI sound. So yeah. Okay. So our next matra is called Hoda. Hoda is like this. In Punjabi, you spell it like this. Hoda. And a word for this could be in Punjabi, mor, which means peacock. And in English, more. And it makes a long and short. It makes a short O, which is kind of like this. So yeah, it makes an O sound. Okay, so our next matra is in a pair with Hoda. It's called Kannada. You just pretty much make a Hoda, and then you make another line here. Kannada in Punjabi is spelled like this. Kannada. A word could be in Punjabi long, which means cloves. Long. And then also in English, long in the sense of size. And it's an A-U sound. It's not really an O, not really an A, not really a U. It's categorized as an O, but it should be an A-U. And yeah. Our next letter, matra, is Onkar. Onkar is just a line on the bottom, kind of curved. In Punjabi, it's spelled like this. And then with this, Onkar. A word could be bull in bull in English, or in Punjabi bull, which means lips. Bull. And Onkar is a short U. It's kind of like a U-H sound, like or. So yeah. Okay. So our next matra is called Dulankar. With Dulankar, you just make two lines like this, curved. That's a bad one. Yeah. And you would write it in Punjabi like this. Do le curd. And two examples that it is in would actually just be in Punjabi pool, and in English fool. And the lankard is a long U or OO if you wanted to write it phonetically. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.